here's what you need to do. When that happens, because we have to buy at a limit, right? I'm going to show you right here on my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
So what's going to happen is when I click buy, it's going to look like this, and it's going to keep running, right?
Yes.
Here's how I buy it. See that?
Oh, so you just move it up. Yeah. Okay.
I move it up until it doesn't even matter, because here's what will happen, everyone. It will buy it at whatever price it is. Even if you told it buy it at $8, it'll go buy now at whatever it is now. You see how I did that? I told it go ahead and buy it at 88 cents. And do you see where it set it at? Boom.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You don't have to go, oh, where is it to the
Yeah. Well, I kept changing it to like the last price.
You're right.
Kept
And
missing.
that'll never work. Yep.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, just like this, everybody. Watch this. So right here, if I'm like, oh, I gotta get out of this, right? Check this out. Yeah. Let's say I'm trying to get out, okay? And again, I'm missing the price. You see it up there? And you're like, oh, damn it, I can't watch this. I'm gonna drag this all the way down to 0.05 cents. So I would lose everything I have, right? Watch what it'll do. I don't know why it's not selling. It should be selling. We got a Weeble bug. Anyways, what it'll do is it will sell it for whatever the price is now. Okay. It doesn't mean sell it at 16 cents. No, it means get rid of it at whatever the limit is now. Does that make sense?
That's brilliant, because speed's one of my problems.
Absolutely. This will help your mechanics. Now, Don, guess where this got up to? And I told you where it wanted to go, right?
Yep.
There it is at 64 cents, and this is pulling back. This is your new level of support or resistance.
And that's people who got out a little bit early because they didn't want to risk it. Yeah.
That's right. Because if you wait to 66, everybody's going to dump it, right? Right. This is funny, right? So I'm literally 100 shares, $60. I made 10% on it, just educating you guys how to do this trade, because we knew it was going up towards 66, didn't we, Don?
We sure did.
What's going to happen if this breaks 66?
It's probably going to fly up.
Yeah, it's going to moon, right?
Yep.
It'll be an absolute rocket ship. Look where we're at, Don.
I'm looking.
Yep. And right here, the 63, remember I said 63, 64, right? I said it won't probably go all the way up there, but oh, guess what? Get ready, Don. It's going to rocket ship. Ready? I'm also going to be ready to sell fast if it pulls back really hard. Oh, wait a minute. What am I at? $700. This thing could go to zero.
Mm-hmm.
I really don't care. Risk to reward ratio, Don, right?
Yeah.
Quick note too, make sure you have extended hours on for people having problems getting filled.
Absolutely. Now there was the pullback, Don. See it?
I see it.
It doesn't scare me though. You want to know why? Well, a couple reasons. Position size, always number one. Number two, it's staying up here, right? Had this broke down and went into a new channel, I wouldn't be here anymore. This means get out for me, right?
Yeah.
So as long as it stays up here, I don't care, right? If it gets in here, I don't want it. Now it could come down and retest and then shoot. But again, because I'm in small, now listen, I know some of your accounts like this might be a lot, right? It's $690. To me, maximum loss on this trade could be $100 if this super pulled. Guys, you know how fast I make $100, right? So to me, the risk to reward ratio, $100 maximum if it pulled into this channel, even if everybody and their brother sold everything they had, for the potential to the upside, right, is at least a 10-to-1. Okay. Now imagine this, Don. Imagine if I would have just bought 1,000 shares, right, at 16 cents, by the way, is only $160. Right? That would have 5 times my money, right? And no risk, and I could be done trading for the day. Right? My risk was from 16 cents to 12 cents, which is where it was before. Do you see it?
I do.
So that was my original risk assessment at the entry if you guys would have bought 1,000 shares. Does that make sense?
Yep.